In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide to connecting a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard to your DJI RC2 controller. This will help immensely when carrying out my next tutorial, creating desktop waypoints, and later in the week, cinematic controller settings explained. Turn on the controller, swipe down twice with your finger from the top of the screen. Tap the Bluetooth button to turn it on. Tap and hold the Bluetooth button. Pair new devices. Make your mouse discoverable and also your keyboard if you wish. Find the mouse in the list and tap on it. You do not need to allow access to your contacts McCall history, so leave the box unchecked and click Pair. Do the same for your Bluetooth keyboard if you wish. Swipe twice on the left of the screen to return to the home screen. You are now ready to set up your desktop waypoints.